is you could be the fastest shooter in the world and the most accurate shooter in the world. If you don't have the balls to face your threat, what good is it? Well, I'm all about doing an advanced course, but not until you have mastered the basics.
The purpose and the intent is to develop people's mindsets. We want to train, but we don't want to just regurgitate stuff. We want to create more competent shooters. We want to have more capable and confident individuals that are carrying firearms.
There's a lot of tools on our website, a lot of DVD series that cover how to prep, how to train, how to prepare for those emergencies, those contingencies that maybe we don't think of as important as the firearms training, but are just as critically important.
There's always more that you can do to integrate the use of your firearm with empty-handed skills. You need to be able to seamlessly flow from shooting to fighting and vice versa.
Take that same idea, that same mindset about preparing on the range and prepare for the rest of life.
Strike. And to me, a firearm is a tool, just like your palm could be a tool to help you win a fight.
As I start to shoot, I move.
They're learning it, but are they learning how it applies to the bigger picture?
To me, video training is sort of the best of both worlds because people can get a better idea much more in depth.
My name's Kyle Harth.
Hi, I'm Aaron Baruga.
I'm Bob Keller.
Hey guys, Rich Nance.